My name is Alfie Carr and I am a finance apprentice at East Sussex College Group.
Okay, I'm Howard Scholes. I am a finance business partner and I work at East Sussex College Group.
I was looking to do an apprenticeship because I wanted real-world experience rather than just carrying on the college courses. I could have continued doing level 3 and level 4 AAT, but I decided to do an apprenticeship so that I get some experience working instead of sitting in a classroom for 5 days a week. I prefer being able to have a mixture of both.
From having an apprentice, we literally get a person to come and work with the team. We get to experience that person with us and get to know that person rather than just a straight interview. The person's with us for a year, and then we can decide to carry on and renew that person, which we have done with Alfie. So it works both ways for the individual to gain that experience and for us to gain experience of the individual as well.
After my apprenticeship is finished, I'd like to go on to do ACCA and then become a chartered accountant and get that qualification. But for the meantime, I'd like to stay here and finish my level 4 apprenticeship.
I think basically to get an apprentice, it's an untapped talent pool that there's a lot of people say. In Alfie's example, Alfie didn't want to go into university, he wanted to go into work straight away and gain that experience. So there's a lot of talented people out there, like Alfie, who didn't want to go down the university route, who wanted to go into the apprenticeship route. So the company benefits from actually getting a lot of talented young people into the organisation.